Hi, I'm Roxanne, aka Raven. I am the owner of GildedRaven.com, which is the website for my jewelry. I also have a witchy blog, and I have other kind of metaphysical items for sale there, specifically right now, spiritual oils. But that is a whole other channel, and I'll link that in the description below somewhere. This channel I'm starting because I want to document my transition from apartment living to living full-time in my 2017 Crossroads Sunset 25-foot travel trailer. So I'm going to document that process. And as you can see behind me, I'm also going, well, you can't see that I'm going to do this. How it looks right now, it's fine, but I'm also going to be renovating the inside, so that process is going to be documented as well. So that's just my short little introduction. I'm going to also be filming, I'm not used to this. I'm also going to, after I'm done with this intro, I'm going to be filming a little bit about my story and how I got here. So welcome to the channel, and I'd be very happy for you guys to come along and share this journey with me. Thank you.